Next, let us see a problem on development of a truncated square prism. In the previous video, we saw how to draw the development of a square prism. So here I am using the same square prism. I have added two lines to the question. I'll read out the last two lines. It is cut by a section plane inclined at 45 degrees to HP and perpendicular to VP. And the section plane passes through the midpoint of the axis of the prism. Since in the question it is mentioned that the section plane passes through the midpoint of the axis, so let us draw the axis first. In order to locate the axis, first draw two diagonals to the base, and the meeting point will be the center of the base. A vertical line passing through the center of the bases is the axis. So this is the axis. Now axis should be always drawn using long and short chain lines. So I am drawing the long and short chain lines. Next, let us locate the midpoint of the axis. So the height of the axis or the prism is 60 mm and its midpoint will be at a distance 30 mm from the base or the top face. Next, let us draw the front view of the section plane. As it is inclined at 40 degrees to the HP, let us draw a line at an angle 45 degree with the horizontal. Now this section line cuts the edge AE at point 1. Next, let's mark it as 1 dash. Next, the edge BF is cut at a point 2. Let us mark it as point 2 dashed. The section plane also cuts the edge CG at a point 3 dashed, and also the edge DH at a distance or at a point 4 dashed. Now we need to transfer the section points to the development. For that, from that point 1 dashed, which is lying on the line AE, I am drawing a horizontal line to the edge AE. So we have two AE edges. So on both of these, we will mark the points 1. Next, let us mark the other points also. So 2 is on the edge BC. So let us draw a horizontal line from 2 dashed which cuts at point 2 on DF. Next, to mark the point 3, draw a line from 3 dashed which cuts at the edge CG at point 3. Similarly, to transfer the point 4, it is along the same line of 1, so I am marking 4 on the edge DH. As this is a truncated prism, the bottom portion of this prism only will be considered. The top portion or the portion above the section plane will be cut and removed. So I am joining the section points 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and also darkening the bottom edges. So I have completed or darkened the outline of the development. Apart from that, we need to darken the lateral edges 1E, 2F, 3G, 4H and 1E. So with this, we have completed the development of the truncated square prism.